Good morning, welcome back or welcome. Before we start this week's video, I want to give a big thank you to everyone who bought the pre-order. All the orders have shipped out. I'm very excited for you guys to receive. And with that being said, the shirt was loved so much that I got extra made. Wow! They're live on the site right now, and I will also be at the World Tour at the end of the month with the Miata, with a couple shirts. Come buy one.
She came in yesterday looking all Sailor Moon and shit.
It's Jordy's birthday! Happy birthday!
My day.
Jordy's day means E36 things today.
Dreaded.
This is what you want to do for your birthday?
Yeah, doesn't it sound fun?
No. If you guys didn't get the gist, we're resealing Jordy's oil pan.
It's leaking like a beep 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 beep.
What? This is new.
Womp womp.
We're supposed to be grassroots over here,
I
Jordy.
know, we're not Jackson
Holy
boys.
sh**.
We're not
On a lift? This is bougie as
What do people call them? Driveway boys? We don't know driveway boys anymore. We upgraded. Jim hooked us up.
What the f did you do here?
Hit a rock.
It's funny because I hit a rock in that same spot. Yeah, she leaking.
It doesn't look like a lot, but it's a lot. Like every day. It's only been here for 12 hours and that's what it is. So if it's here for 2 days, it's hot.
Well, hopefully we solve that issue.
With our new oil pan gasket.
Thanks, Alex. Alright, let's actually get it. Oh my god, it's moist.
It's super moist. Like from
Run your finger across it?
No.
What do you mean, no?
Hold this and I'll do it. Ready, guys?
It's terrible. From the front corner to like 3/4 of the way back, just leaks.
Yeah, that needs to be resealed. ASAP Rocky.
It's the only thing that leaks on it right now is oil pans. Hopefully after this, everything's sound.
Everyone tell Jordy to speak up. We're the only ones in here. Reminds me of that mirror challenge. Wipe, wipe, wipe it now, wipe. Before we get started, we had to play musical cars, of course, because we need the red E36 strut bar. I don't see a strut bar.
Maybe it's this E36 and not this one. I probably should have checked before. Survey says. I found it.
First things first.
Yep. Who else thinks that we should put this in my car instead of Jim's car?
Go flood Jim's comments,
I'm
guys.
trying to convince him.
Let me do that. Short intermission due to the mailman actually being here to pick up your guys' orders.
You gotta adjust that.
So how are you going to draw yourself?
Ratchet strap from here, because this is a solid base now. Ratchet strap to the header. Ratchet strap to the engine arm.
Skip the process of removing the belt because, like Jordan always likes to say, how many times have I been on the channel?
Not wrong.
Anyways, he's playing with some ratchet straps. How's it going?
Terrible.
This is crazy.
Super ghetto. Ooh, the ghetto.
Grassroots is back, baby.
Yeah. Driveway boys. This is super driveway boy inspired. In our defense, everything on this car was done on jack stands. Now that I think of it, it's the first time it's ever been on the lift.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Crazy. All right, Kai, up with it.
Please lift, press and hold button and bottom. I know how to read. Quick pause because Jordy wants to take his wheels off.
Whack ass stance.
What?
Nothing.
Car's back in the air. Hands on the floor. Let's see if Jordy can do
Grant? Grant's been kind of sleeping with it, honestly.
make Grant proud.
Has not been posting any videos about it. I didn't have it all the way out yet.
How's the hands looking?
Clean as a whistle.
Is this what they mean by crossing streams? We'll be back after that's done. Lollipop gang is free. Yeah. Jordy's got the power steering rack coming down.
You know why they're called lollipops?
Why?
They look like a lollipop.
Oh, I thought they were suckers. So now you just gotta take it out?
Nope, you gotta take the pump out. That was the rack. The rack is it's gonna slide out when you drop the subframe, and then the subframe's gonna hang a little higher. The rack has to come out.
Having fun there?
Miserable time, sweetie. There you go.
Get it.
Nice, there's fiberglass there. Good job. Subframe bolt, reverse Kai. All right, now do the other side.
What? Huh? Come on, drop it like it's
hot. Should have paid someone to do this.
So, subframe is low enough for Jordy's liking.
Hopefully.
So I'm gonna hit the oil pan, get these 10 mils off.
They don't have to come all the way out. You could just loosen them. I mean, if they come all the way out, they come all the way out. But like, you just gotta crack them loose.
It's time. Shoot, I stuck on there.
She is glued.
But how is she leaking? Put some back into it.
Oh, big dog's here.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jordy.
What a wonderful thing to do on the birthday.
It's so nice, dude.
Are you breaking the pan free before you drop the subframe?
Well, the subframe's loose. I don't want to have to drop the whole thing if I only have to drop it 2 inches.
Yeah, and like try and slide it out.
I don't think I lost any bolts now.
You gonna drop the subframe more?
No. Do not.
Coming down. Is it gonna like drop? Try like stand underneath it and hold it up.
This thing's heavier than you, babe. What you're grabbing isn't anything. I gotta stop one too.
Oh, I'm scared. Ah! Can you help?
No.
You look like you need help. You're gonna have to drop the subframe more.
I think I have to drop this bar.
What's it second?
Oil pump gear in the front.
No? I'm so short, dude. This is such a struggle. Tell me you see the most popular girls in school on YouTube.
I want the boobier.
I'm blaming it on Ashley catching the order. Jordy says the cargos and the sweatshirt is a good combo. Do you agree? Who says that? Yay! Time to go in and clean all this shit up. Look at her, all shiny and
Good job.
dumped it out. Now time to clean. We've been here before.
20 minutes later.
Go easy on that stuff this time.
Double trouble.
Spread it open and flick the bean.
I'm Kylie Quinn. The missing link.
Careful, SpongeBob.
Careful, SpongeBob!
Patrick, the lid's already off.
Ooh, you sweating? Jordy's really making sure that bitch stays on, huh? No more leaks?
Better not.
We ain't playing around over here, alright?
I told that oil to scream. What a
Just dropped my phone. Subframe is halfway in.
It's getting there. Power steering pump has to go. Steering rack has to go. Bunch of bull.
The amount of times my hand has touched this is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's the last one.
All tight?
We're getting there.
It's looking good.
Looking great.
Finishing touches, and then we can finally go to Chili's.
Triple dipper, baby.
That's so gross.
Dude, you know what? The oil that came out of it looks neat, so I don't care what it looks like.
Fram? What kind of guy are you?
Cheap.
Who is this?
No funnel?
Ready? Is this it?
Yeah,
Rolling forward?
Frame it up.
I'm just gonna move this, it's so ugly.
Whatever.
Come on, bitch.
Jordy's having trouble with the dipstick,
Don't
everyone.
talk to me like that.
I'm sorry.
You film every last drop going into it, so that way we can see it every last drop on the ground when it leaks.
I mean, so far so good.
Oh, that's fine, we did.
Oh, forgot one thing. Oopsie.
Big old bill.
Throw that in there real quick.
That completes my hectic birthday. What a fun way to spend your day.
Now we're gonna go sing happy birthday to Jordy at Chili's.
Yeah. If anyone knows what the book time on oil pan gasket is for an E36, I would love to know because I'm curious if we were close or super far off.
I think we spent like 8 hours.
8 hours of pretty much working straight.
See you guys tomorrow.
All right, Kai. Another day, another what?
Another sleigh. Just kidding. I don't know. Jordy wants to strip his cover, and I'm in the middle of cleaning the daily.
Get back to it. Yeah, Anthony got us the good so we're gonna slather it on and see what the good is. And now we let it sit.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Almost done. Jordy gave up because it kind of looked like
Stupid.
It's alright. At least your car isn't leaking.
Pluses and minuses to every situation. Austin got his F15 out. It's pretty sick.
Good evening. I'm here today with a sad message. Just kidding, it's not really sad. It's just an apology for this week's video being really short because I personally had a health scare this past weekend. I'm okay for the most part. Thankfully, I had my biggest support partner right behind the camera with me.
That's me, guys.
But unfortunately, due to that, we didn't get to record this weekend. I want this week's video to come out as expected, so here it is. That being said, shirts are still live. I'm gonna have stickers and air fresheners in the next couple weeks. Very excited to share that with you guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys soon.